All right, good morning, everyone. It is 10:20. I'm going to go ahead and call it a day here. Probably, I'm going to sit back and watch for a couple more minutes. I'll show you why, but I'll probably be done right here. I get to do a $297 recap today. I traded DISCK on the news that they are merging with AT&T. Let's go over it. So I had levels here. I'll pull up the 10-minute at 36.17 and 35.14, and I staggered 1,000 shares between every 10 cents between these two numbers, and I actually got filled down here. Let's see. I got filled to right there on 900 shares. And then it went up. It went, and I hit sell. So I averaged in at $35.77 a share, and it went up to $36, and actually went up a little bit higher than $36.17. It went up to as high as $36.29. And I hit sell when it hit 36.17 because that's roughly 40 cents. That's 1%. That's 1% gain. That's my strategy. And I got filled at $36.10 and $36.11 on the shares. I've forgotten exactly how many got filled where. So there's only 1 penny difference. And so that was a $300 gain. The market is pretty quiet otherwise. You can see here. 700 for 23, 100 for 63, and 100 for 74, an average of 23. So, I mean, I got close to 1% gain. Not quite, but close. And close is good enough. Now, the reason I had a pretty decent amount of, it was at first it was going to be confidence. And actually, I remember now. Let's see. Let's go to the 1 minute. I was looking for it to hold over 36.17, but it wasn't holding. And so it started breaking back down below 36.17, and I hit sell as it started to come back down through it. And the reason that I was looking for it to hold is because I have these two Fibonacci's. 36.17 is kind of an important price level here. You'll see this is the Fibonacci that goes from the high of the pre-market to the previous close. And you can see there's a 36.17 there. And then this Fibonacci is one that I had on it from quite some time ago. And there's a 36.17 here. Let's go to the daily. This is one that I'd put on it. I was looking at this for a trade at some point for some reason. I don't remember what. Back here in mid-March. And so I took it from like kind of the low here up to the run up here. And this 38% fib is hitting $36.17 as well. So there's a little bit of a confirmation between the two Fibonacci's that I had for that $36.17 Fibonacci level. And so I decided to sell there. I decided that it's just a little bit there's too much resistance there at 36.17, and so I chose to sell it. If it can't break back above a hold and come down and test and keep moving higher, then this thing's probably going to move lower. So there might be another opportunity on this one. Down all the way down here. Oh no, it broke through $34.11. It might be able to recover $34.11 and keep moving higher. I mean, it did get pre-market. I think it was a 20% increase in the price, but it can't hold it. So exactly where this thing decides to stop and turn around and keep going could be as low as the previous day's close or Friday's close. I'm not really interested in sitting around for very long to watch and see what kind of progress this price action makes. I've got other things I can do. I mean, it's, past the peak trading hours. It's just kind of time to go and do something else. So, yeah, DBGI sort of gave, so I think it went into a halt here. Let's see, 934 and then opened up. Yeah. So it went into a halt here with a high of 468. And it ran up as high as 509 and then came back down again. Now it's just moving kind of sideways. I wasn't paying attention to DBGI to get in as a part of this momentum from 426 to 466 and as high as 511. So I didn't get on the trade, so I just kind of left it alone. Let's see, and then the other one was S&P. It's below $2. The stock price is below $2. And I don't like to trade stocks that are below $2. So that's kind of the day. There's a little bit going on with the SPY here. Let's go over the SPY. The 1 minute went and is bounced off of the oversold level on the relative strength index there on the 1 minute. It didn't make it all the way down to the oversold level in the 10 minute. So there wasn't really a trade there. And you can see here the volatility index pretty much is inverse of the SPY there. And so it came down out of overbought there on the VIX and is kind of edging down, which is positive for the market. But on the 10 minute, it's not giving a clear signal. So there's no real trade there. And I would probably have to wait. Like, I could wait all day and not get a clear signal on the VIX that corresponds with a clear signal on the SPY or the SPX. So just kind of, gonna call it a day. It's kind of a sleepy Monday. So that's pretty much my trading day right there in a nutshell. What else? Silver's catching a little bit of a bid. It's nice. Got silver right here. I have 5 options on silver that I've been averaging into over the past week. It's doing okay. I mean, it's up $100 right now. Expiration is September 30th. Strike is $25.50. So, it's working out. I think I bought between, let's see, pretty sure it's these 3 days right here. I bought like 2, 2, and 1. 2 contracts, and 1 contract. And it seems to be kind of catching fire there. It's over this level. I have $25.34 marked off for some reason. I can't remember. But it seems it poked its head above, dipped back down again. I bought this dip right here, and it's starting to it tested this area. It didn't test 25.34, close enough, and is now moving back above again. And so, let's see. Let's pull it up on the daily here. And so, for it to close, if silver closes today above $25.80, that'll be really positive. That looks like another leg higher is getting cranked up. So I'll wait for it to break that level, come back and test it, and then add some more to my options position. Okay, so that's really about all there is to it. Don't see a heck of a lot more going on. So I'm going to call it a day here. Good luck out there, everybody. Keep your risk tight. Click like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you at tomorrow morning's strategy session. I am out.